The National Security Guard, Prasenjit Tomar, stands humbled in front of the bullet-ridden reminders of that battle. His first day as an NSG commando began on this very sofa. He recalls those events and the words of his commanding officer.
The place that you are sitting is, we call it cradle of sacrifice. When you are sitting here, you must realize that you are guarding a legacy.
But becoming a Black Cat commando is not for the faint of heart. NSG pushes its men to go beyond the brink, beyond the levels of human endurance, beyond their deepest fears. These training grounds of NSG turn men into lethal weapons. It is here that they learn to fight and how to win. And he earned the black uniform of the NSG.
I belong to Aligarh, where I was born and brought up, and done my schooling there. Education-wise, I'm a mechanical engineer. I've done my engineering from Aligarh Muslim University.
NSG draws its manpower from the police, army, and paramilitary forces, courses in the world.
मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट कहाँ है? उधर क्यों रख रखे? शीशा लगाओ ना मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट.
जैन सर सीसी के लिए रिपोर्ट करने आए हैं.
आपने एसआरटीसी में रिपोर्ट करा.
ठीक है सर.
सामान अपना लगेज गाड़ी में रखना है और बस में बैठना है आपने.
The screening week is crucial. Half these candidates will be eliminated within this period itself and not even make it to the 3-month commando conversion course.
जल्दी आइए फटाफट.
Tomar is lucky. He meets up with acquaintances on the first day itself.
Hi Sandeep.
कैसा है भाई?
Good. जैन सर. मेजर तोमर सर.
दीपक यार.
जैन सर कैप्टन सर. मेजर तोमर सर.
तू पहले से ही गंजा हो गया है. हम तो
मैंने सोचा सर करवा लेता हूँ तो.
वॉल्यूम का क्या सीन है सर?
शाम का बता रहे हैं, अभी तो कुछ टाइम तो बताएंगे शाम को.
The first week reveals how competitive entering NSG is.
The Training Center of National Security Guard is a premier training institute of the country which is mandated to train probationers drawn from the Indian Army and various Central Armed Police Forces for induction into the National Security Guard.
The NSG has got set physical standards. You clear them, you will be a part of NSG.
सभी एक साथ.
I will be very honest that I was not very sure of it, but I did clear them.
Aside from physical tests, firearm proficiency is also crucial.
I was given an SAS rifle and we were made to fire from 25 meters. I made a group of 3 centimeters from in the screening test.
Tomar makes the grade.
To start the course, there is a filtration or a screening test which takes place. And there are a lot of commandos who are not able to pass at the screening stage itself, and then perforce we have to send them back.
NSG is a force that deals specifically with terrorism in all its forms. At the National Security Guard headquarters, the senior-most officer is the Director General.
NSG is the premier urban anti-terror force of India, and we are called upon to carry out operations which are of extremely critical nature. The primary role of NSG is as an anti-terror force to deal with terror in all its manifestations. In some respects, that's why it's called as the force of last resort. And moreover, by our very definition as a federal contingency force, we are expected to do operations which are extremely of serious nature when there is a serious threat to national security as such.
The NSG campus at Manesar is spread across about 1,600 acres. Across its many training grounds, counter-terror tactics are practiced and perfected. These innovative commandos train without most of the equipment other commandos use. They practice parkour as a technique to enter buildings when conventional ingress is difficult.